Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the watch off and removing the band. This prevents accidental damage. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap and organize screws in a tray so you won't mix sizes. Use the precision driver to remove back screws, then gently pry the rear cover with a plastic tool. If it resists, stop and recheck for hidden clips. Do this now because careful opening preserves the digitizer adhesive and connectors you'll access in the next step. Once the back is off, disconnect the battery to eliminate power. This prevents shorts when you handle the flex cables. Apply low heat, about 40-50 degrees C, to soften screen adhesive so the glass separates cleanly. Then use a suction and plastic picks to lift fragments. Carefully unclip the display flex with a spudger, noting its orientation and any foam pads. Take photos if needed. You're doing this to protect the touch controller and connector. Because a damaged flex, install the new digitizer by first aligning its flex and lightly seating the connector. Don't fully press adhesive yet. Reconnect the battery briefly and boot the watch to test touch and display. This saves rework if the part is bad or misaligned. Once confirmed, power off, apply new adhesive strips, and press the display down evenly to avoid air gaps. Reassemble the case and screws snugly, not over-tightened, and verify full touch responsiveness when you power back on. If touch fails, try reseating the flex or cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.